Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, just want to let everyone know that the gasoline trader is releasing at 7 p.m. Central Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That is when it will be going live on the website. It'll be the top link in the description of this video for where you can purchase it. Right now, again, just going over some stuff. It'll be $200 per month. Let me pull up the sheet here. So this is what we are doing right now. So it is $200 per month. This is all old for the software. Okay. We may end up increasing in the future with later on updates. Okay. We're going to add a lifetime for 2000. Okay. And then it's capped right now at 40 users. And again, we're probably going to increase this over time as long as everything is working smoothly with it. Okay. This is basically just a plug and play sort of strategy. So you'll basically download the file from the website once you purchase, and you are going to get a role in the Discord for the gasoline trader as well. So you need to make sure you're in the Discord, because the way this is going to work is we're only setting it to, you're going to have to install a new file every contract. At least that's how we're doing it now. So if you do end up canceling, then you will lose the Discord role, and then you won't be able to download the file for the next contract, and yeah, you won't be able to run anymore. Okay, so just a heads up with that. That's how we will be doing it. And again, for people that haven't seen the profits, from September 18th to about October 13th, ended up about $11,500. So good test there. And then the new contracts have been performing a little bit worse. This week, the 23rd to the 27th, it was up about 4,300 at the most, ended up 2,100. And then just last week, I was getting mixed results in the playback. The playback was a little bit glitchy. So some days the week ended up like a couple hundred, but I put the worst case was, it was negative 1,800 that week. But still pretty good results. Okay, depends on the exact settings you use. Again, I was basically running it all day, and I'll go over the settings here. So let me disable this. The way we're going to be doing this, or what you're going to want to do in here, is you'll add the gas trader here. Okay, and again, for people who don't know how to do that, all you do is you go into tools. Once you have the file, go to import, you go to Ninja Script add-on. Okay, and then you'd click the gas trader. Okay, and you'd click open and install. There you go. And then you'd come on to your strategies, you'd add this into here, and then you can change your stuff from here. So if you want to do one contract, you can do one. All right, and then you can change your profit target per position, stop loss. You can change the triggers in here, and then the times you want it to trade. And if you want a total stop loss, then you can set that as well. Okay. This is what it should look like when you pull it up, and then when you start it, again, this is just, ignore that, but this is what it should end up looking like basically. Okay. And then regards to where it'll be on the website, you should be able to see it basically right on the main storefront. Okay, so should be able to just see it right up here. And then again, that's really all. You'll be able to have a Discord role. We're gonna have a new Discord channel in with everything, and that's really it. There's not too much else to say besides, yeah, it's going live tonight at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. 40 spots available, first come first serve, and then a lifetime beyond that. So to comment on any questions or concerns, make sure you join the Discord, and happy trading.